Hi friends, this is an interactive book, Puppy's Animal Friends.
Peekaboo friend, come with me. We'll visit the beach and the deep blue yellow sun is a circle. Look at the starfish. Bird. Dolphin. Beautiful colors for you and me. Green, green trees and blue, blue sea. Can you find other colors around? Purple, yellow, red or brown?
So we can learn animals, bird, crab, snail, starfish, dolphin, fish, and listen very pleasant music. And we can also learn numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and colors red and yellow.
Look who's waiting at the zoo. Animal friends for me and you. Tiger.
Where's tiger?
Elephant.
An elephant.
Some animals small, some are very tall. Some are higher in a tree and some are down below, you see.
Some small and some tall.
Tiger. Now let's go back home and play. What fun to be with friends all day. Frog. Duck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's fun to count the animals. It's fun to count the friends. Frog. There's one kitty.
So let's learn and play. This book is very interesting. It is very bright and picturesque and is for children from 1 year old until, of course, maybe 5 years old or 6. I like it very much and I think your children will like it too. Thank you, subscribe my channel and press like.